Here's a new 2022 Genesis G70.
Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression.
And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Athletic elegance, refined performance. This is Genesis. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.